a nation that lived under the shade of Allah's mercy, a people whom Allah protected from hunger, from fear, and from their enemies. In every hardship, they felt Allah's help beside them. Then Allah tested them just one test, small in appearance, but heavy with patience. They said, "We won't break Allah's command. We'll just bend it a little to our advantage." And that was the moment when the doors of mercy began to close. One night Allah's decision descended. No storm came, no lightning struck. The earth did not split open. But when morning arrived, that entire nation was no longer human. Those who had once been closest to Allah had turned into monkeys. This is the story of Abu Sabta, and this is not just history. It is a mirror for today. After Prophet Musa, peace be upon him, a group from Bani Israel lived by the sea, in a place called Allah. The scene was filled with Allah's blessings, cool sea winds, warm sunlight and waves, carrying a soothing fragrance. Every corner felt alive with peace and abundance. They knew Allah. They knew His commands, but inside their hearts lived an old habit, a habit of making promises and then breaking them when convenient. What harm is there in breaking one promise? We'll ask forgiveness later. Obedience on the tongue, cunning in action. Their elders would say, "We are Allah's chosen people. Why should restrictions apply to us?" But this was not a restriction. It was a test of faith. So Allah placed upon them a single command, the test of Saturday on. The day of Saturday, stop all work. Leave your trade, leave your busyness, and worship me alone. The announcement spread through the city. One man said, "It's only one day. We'll stop for Allah." Another laughed and said, "Let's see." When the sea overflows with fish, and then the test revealed itself. On the very day fishing was forbidden, the sea overflowed with fish. Fresh, large fish swam close to the shore as if inviting them to be caught. This had never happened before. That night, darkness covered the city. Homes were filled with tension. Hunger led to arguments. Silence weighed heavy on hearts. Then Satan whispered, "Deception in Allah's law, this command blocks only one day. Be clever. Twist the command and take your benefit." They looked at each other and smiled. One man said, "We'll make channels and traps. The fish will get caught by themselves. We won't touch them on Saturday. We'll collect them on Sunday. Allah will be pleased, and so will we." The elders warned them, "Allah sees everything. This is a test of intention." The young men laughed. "We are intelligent. We didn't break the command. We just found a way around it." They forgot one thing. No deception can hide a sin from Allah. They carried baskets of fish proudly. Their faces shone with arrogance. A righteous man shouted, the warning of the righteous, "Stop. This is sin. Breaking Allah's command will destroy you." They replied, "We are only using our intelligence. We didn't fish on Saturday." The city divided into three groups. 1. The sinners, proud of their deception. 2. The righteous, who warned loudly and sincerely. 3. The silent ones, who watched, neither stopping nor advising. Some said, "Let's separate ourselves, lest Allah's punishment reaches us too." The sinners feasted, laughed, and mocked others. And then came the night when warnings ended and destruction began. The streets were silent. Only the sound of waves and wind remained. The sinners slept with full stomachs. Then a voice echoed through the darkness, "Be disgraced and become monkeys." Shadows fell, faces distorted. Fingers stretched into claws, bodies filled with hair. Breathing turned wild. What's happening to us? We are no longer human. Day screamed, they called out. No one answered. When morning came, the city was silent. The righteous climbed the walls and looked inside. No humans remained. Only monkeys wearing human clothes, but animals within. The news spread everywhere. Allah has turned the violators of Saturday into monkeys. Relatives came running. unable to believe their eyes. A monkey clutched his family's clothes and cried. Someone asked, "Did we not warn you of Allah's punishment?" And narrations say, this punishment was so severe that they survived no more than 3 days. No food, no water, only agony, until they perished. Conclusion: the crime of Ashabasabd was not fishing. Their crime was deceiving Allah's law. Today we say, interest is just profit. Bribery is just a gift. Lies are just marketing. Remember, Allah does not judge words. He judges intentions. So ask yourself, are we walking the same path as them? Yes or no? Tell us in the comments. Like the video and subscribe to the channel.